Hi everyone, and welcome to another. This isn't even a segment. Okay, y'all. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of DOYcreations7. Okay, y'all. This sister here on the YT, me and Jeanette did a collaboration. I've been knowing Jeanette for quite some time, and she is the crochet queen. Okay, y'all. So I want to say this. You know, there are so many of us here on the YT who are trying to make an establishment, be successful. There are a lot of us here who are small business owners, y'all, who need your support. We all need each other's support. Uh, when it comes to making jewelry, crocheting, which is what my sister does, and now she's starting to make jewelry, we need your support. Everybody gets on here. We all watch the tutorials, the DIYs that everybody does, but we don't support each other. We need to start as women and men supporting small businesses, y'all. There is more than enough rum to go around. So, all right, let me get back to it. I'm not going to talk today. So this package came for me. Oop, I'm sorry. Showed the wrong one. And I already opened it, but I wanted to just do this unboxing so that y'all could see what I got from her. This sister, y'all, is doing her thing. Okay, I got a card and I got a box. Okay, let me open up my card. Oh wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this card. And it has, like, it says thank you, and it has like glitter that's engraved, I guess glitter that's engraved in the message, but it's gorgeous. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous. So thank you, sis, for my card. Okay, I'm reading the message, but this was meant just for me, so I will not be sharing it. So thank you, sis, for the card. Now let's get to the goodies. Okay, y'all. I'm going to tell you a little bit about her. I am going to link her page in my description box. I know some of you all have went over. Please go over and subscribe to my sister's channel. Y'all, we are all trying to make it in this world, every last one of us, and there are some of us who have dreams that we are working towards. It's going to take all of us and everybody to help each other, on our journey. All right, so let me shut my mouth because y'all know I'm talking again. This is my box, and let me get off the tape. Ooh. Oh. Look at this. Oops. Look at it. Can y'all see what I got? Okay, y'all. This is my ring. And thank you, sis, for including this. She's just such a sweetheart. Look at this. Look at this ring. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I want you to know that this is awesome. Every time, y'all, the way you open up your creativity is you can't be afraid to try different things and to do different things. You gotta be willing to try different things. Those are absolutely gorgeous. That's how you open up your creativity. Once you learn the basics of jewelry, once you learn how to do all different types of things, you have to be willing to to really go a little bit more further. Now, she started off doing crochet, but now, y'all, look at this. She making jewelry. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, we have to give credit when credit is due. You know, I have another package, as a matter of fact, coming from another YouTube sister that bought a, no, that I bought a journal from. And that will be coming up soon, as soon as I get it. I moved, something went crazy with my packaging. Well, not my packaging, the handling of me getting my package. So I had to go back. But anyway, sis, these are gorgeous. I love them. Y'all go over, check her channel out. You won't be disappointed. She teaches you how to crochet. She does it all. Bathing suits, dresses, ponchos, anything that she can make, earrings. Please go over, support the sister's channel. You know, y'all, we are all, like I said before, are trying to make a difference. We're all trying to be successful in life, and we need each other in order to do that. None of us can be successful by ourselves, so we need each other. So I want y'all to go over. I'm going to leave her link down in the description box. And yeah, down in my description box. Y'all go over, check out my sister's channel. Please subscribe to her channel. Let her know that I sent you. But you know what? You don't even have to do that. You don't even have to know I sent you. Just go over, check out channel out. You won't be disappointed. And sis, I will see you, because it is 6:18 here in Baltimore. I will see you when you go live between 9 and 9:30, I believe. Yes. So I want to thank y'all for joining me for this unboxing today. And I will be coming back probably with the same top. And I'll be rocking my DOYcreations7 earrings. These are just... Oh. I can't even tell y'all how gorgeous these earrings are. All right, so y'all have a wonderful and awesome Sunday. I will talk to y'all again soon. Peace and blessings. See ya.